মানে আচ্ছা আচ্ছা আমি খুব একটা
You're the best person to answer my question. How can we win people's heart?
I think through love.
So, you mean, प्रेम से हमको जीने दो, प्रेम से हमको जीने दो.
Oh, Manjula, stop singing.
Anita, let's welcome Arhan, the person who preached that only through love we can live in peace. Welcome the smiling, happy, peaceful boy of Arnodai. Naisa is going to bring him.
Thank you, Naisa.
Who doesn't love to listen to stories?
I think you must approach Dhruvi. She's the best person to tell you stories.
Oh, let's welcome Dhruvi, our storyteller of Arnodai. Lokanshu, please bring Dhruvi. In fact, she told us the stories of her parents' anniversary.
Thank you, Lokanshu.
Hey, I like the way you have dressed, Anita.
Thank you.
I like the way you've done with your hair.
Thank you.
Oh, your attire.
Thank you.
No, Anita, I'm not talking about you.
What is about?
Oh my God.
Let's put our hands together and welcome the charming girl, Lakshya and Gauda. Tessa, can you please bring Lakshya and Gauda? She's not yet calm. Either way, parents, please put your hands together.
She's calm, she's calm.
She's calm, I think. She's arrived.
Thank you, Tessa. I'm obedient. I talk patiently. Can you guess who am
Very
I?
polite to Anita. Let's welcome Mr. Perseverance, Manojna.
Friends, please put your hands together for Manojna.
Manojna, Preetham, can you please bring Manojna? Thank you, Preetham. Anita, can you tell us what do you feel when you dance?
The word dance itself excites me and makes me tap my feet when I just listen to the music. What happened, Manjula? Why are you asking me this question now?
Oh, of course. I will tell you the reason behind it. We have another tapping girl in our Nodai. Let's put our hands together to welcome Namrata, the dancing doll of our Nodai. I request Naisa to please bring the dancing doll.
We all love to listen to chirping of birds, and here comes a chirping bird, Nehela. Vicky, please welcome Nehela.
Parents, please, are you tired? We've just started. Oh, Nehala tells us lovely stories and she's so expressive. I am a fairy girl and I love fairy tales. Let's welcome Neela.
Parents, please put your hands together for Neela.
I have an announcement here. The parents who can please be seated on the carpet can come down. I see many parents standing there. The senior citizens can have the chair. Who can sit down can come, please come. The carpet is completely empty.
Angela, why is the sky so high? Why is the leaf green in color? Why are the flowers colorful?
Hey Anita, stop. Why are you questioning me? You are with doubts and questions always, Anita.
Isn't that good, Manjula?
It is. In fact, it makes us feel more happy. So let's welcome Omkar, Mr. Doubtfire. I request Bharat to please bring Omkar, the Mr. Doubtfire. Parents, I really can't hear you clapping. Please cheer them. Omkar has got a doubt now where I should stand. Wheels of the bus goes round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels of the bus goes round and round, all around the town.
You must be wondering why we are singing.
The wheels of feet of Purvitas go round and round and round and round the garden of Arnodai.
Please welcome the girl with wheels in her feet.
Nisa, can you please bring Purvita for us?
We all know that peacock is our national bird. Do you know, Manjula, that we have a national bird in Arnodai?
Yes, of course, Anita. Here comes Sanika, the pretty peacock of Arnodai. Kushanka, can you please bring Sanika? You can see she's dressed in the same color, almost the same color as the peacock.
Pandit Birju Maharaj, Chitra Visheshwaran, Sudha Chandran, Hema Malini. What do the names remind you?
Yes, they are all dancers and great repute, and we would like to add another name to this esteemed list. Sai Vidya, the dancer. I request Dhruv to please bring Sai Vidya. Dhruv, can you please bring Sai Vidya for us? Parents, here comes the dancer, Sai Vidya. Ani, what would you call somebody who likes to help others tirelessly without expecting any return?
Mother Teresa?
Not her, but somebody like her. Please welcome Sharika.
Kushanka, can you please welcome Sharika?
People tend to forget their duties but remember their rights. Parents, any guesses? Whose slogan is this? I repeat, people tend to forget their duties but remember their rights. Any guesses? Okay, I'll give you a clue. She is a lady. Okay, no hands up.
Third Prime Minister of India? Right. Parents, put your hands together. Indira Gandhi, Shreya Jain.
I request Nisa to bring Shreya Jain.
Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the Arnodai sky, I see Shreya flying high. Welcome the twinkling star, Shreya Reddy.
I request
Jamia to welcome her.
I think we all watched the movie Nemo. Now I and Anita are into filmmaking and we thought of Nemo Part 3, isn't it, Anita?
Yes, we shall make Nemo Part 3. And the main character for this, we have chosen Suraj.
Suraj the Nemo. Dhruv, can you please bring Suraj for us?
Can you please find Nemo for us?
Dhruv, who's sitting in the front chair, please bring Nemo for us.
They found Nemo for us.
Thank you, Dhruv, for finding the main character for our movie. We'll go ahead. The epitome of female bravery. She was the queen of Maratha, ruled princely state of Jhansi in North India. She was one of the greatest nationalist heroine and leading figures of the Indian Rebellion of 1857. You all must be wondering why I am talking about history now. Because we are here to welcome Tanaya Pandey.
Please welcome Tanaya, our Jhansi Ki Rani.
We have a similar
I request Tessa to welcome Tanaya.
There, the bold Tanaya is here.
Thank you, Tessa.
Honey, did you read the newspaper today?
No,
Okay, did you listen to the news?
no. I was busy getting ready.
Oh, really? Okay. Let me update you about the weather report. The maximum temperature in Bangalore is around. Okay, let me not tell you the exact figure. The day will be mostly sunny. The sky is bright, clear. Evening may be pleasant. Any guesses what I'm talking about? I'm here to invite the Mr. Tony, the reporter of Unknown. I want myself to bring the reporter of Unknown.
We get his family report every day. He reports what his father did, mother did, sister did. Full details. Friends did, where he went.
We have the last but not the least. I think you have heard of the Sanskrit word Pantapadam. Am I right in the pronunciation? Pantapadam. Have you heard of this word Pantapadam? Okay. Auntie was telling me that it's a tree in the desert. I mean, it's a tree in the desert land where people don't get water, and if they, they have the fruit, auntie. Oasis, okay. And so you can get water if you are looking for water there. So here I have my friend, Mr. Tanush, who's the Pantapada for Arnodai. Please welcome Tessa, the Pantapada for Arnodai.
Thank you, Tessa. Please put your hands together for all the graduating children of Arnodai.
Now let's welcome Shreya, Lakshya and Namrata to chant the Ganesha Vandana. Shreya, Lakshya and Namrata, please come near the harmonium, please.
ಶರಣು ಸಿದ್ಧಿವಿನಾಯಕ ಶರಣು ವೇದ್ಯ ಪ್ರದಾಯಕ ಶರಣು ಪಾರ್ವತಿ ತನಯ ಮೂರ್ತಿ ಶರಣು ಪಾರ್ವತಿ ತನಯ ಮೂರ್ತಿ ಶರಣು ಮೂಷಿಕ ವಾಹನ ಶರಣು 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 ಸಿದ್ಧಿವಿನಾಯಕ ಶರಣು ವೇದ್ಯ ಪ್ರದಾಯಕ ಕೃಷ್ಣದೇವಿ ಸುತನೆ ನಾಗಭೂಷಣ ಪ್ರಿಯನೆ ನಿಖಿಲನೆ ಕೃಷ್ಣದೇವಿ ಸುತನೆ ನಾಗಭೂಷಣ ಪ್ರಿಯನೆ ಕಟಿತಟಾಂಕಿತ ಕೋಮಲಾಂಗನೆ ಕರ್ಣಕುಂಡಲಧಾರಣೆ ಶರಣು 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 ಸಿದ್ಧಿವಿನಾಯಕ ಶರಣು ವೇದ್ಯ ಪ್ರದಾಯಕ ಮುಕ್ತಿನ ಪದಕಹಾರನೆ ಬಾಹುಹಸ್ತ ಚತುಷ್ಟನೆ ಬಟ್ಟು ಮುಕ್ತಿನ ಪದಕಹಾರನೆ ಬಾಹುಹಸ್ತ ಚತುಷ್ಟನೆ ದೊಡ್ಡ ತೊಡೆಗೆಯು ಹೇಮ ಕಂಕಣ ತೊಡೆಗೆಯು ಹೇಮ ಕಂಕಣ ಪಾಶಾಂಕುಶಧಾರಣೆ ಶರಣು 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 ಸಿದ್ಧಿವಿನಾಯಕ ಶರಣು ವೇದ್ಯ ಪ್ರದಾಯಕ ಕುಕ್ಷಿ ಮಹಲಂಬೋದರನೆ ಇಕ್ಷು ಚಾಪನ ಗೆಲಿದನೆ ಕುಕ್ಷಿ ಮಹಲಂಬೋದರನೆ ಇಕ್ಷು ಚಾಪನ ಗೆಲಿದನೆ ಪಕ್ಷಿ ವಾಹನ ಸಿರಿ ಪುರಂದರ ವಿಠಲನ ನಿಜದಾಸನೆ ಶರಣು 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 ಸಿದ್ಧಿವಿನಾಯಕ ಶರಣು ವೇದ್ಯ ಪ್ರದಾಯಕ ತನಯ ಮೂರ್ತಿ ಶರಣು ಮೂಷಿಕ ವಾಹನ ಶರಣು 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 ಸಿದ್ಧಿವಿನಾಯಕ ಶರಣು ವೇದ್ಯ ಪ್ರದಾಯಕ
Asha Madandi has done a great thing to us. She works, she knows how to work as a priest. Have you ever seen a lady priest? I am so proud of her. So proud of her. And we did Narayan Puja yesterday with Katya. I have enjoyed the things I have never had in my life before. So he has given the blessings to us. This school is my, you can say my eldest son. The son and his wife is in the United States. So we have all prayed for them. They are happy married life. We completed the 25 years in this time. Thank you, Asha.
Next we have Mrs. Sandhya Ganu.
Chandra ji, has come here with Ashaji and Nalindi's company, and she has helped me for this puja. And I am really grateful to you, Shandeji. They are the good singers who understood that we had a musical night. I forgot to tell. I enjoyed the music thoroughly. Thank you. Thank you, Shandeji.
And how can we forget a favorite Mrs. Rashmi Basu? She's always charming, smiling.
And she has got a school, you know, this is called Ankur Montessori House of Children. And I am so proud of her. When she was in class 10, I was working in that school, in their Montessori department. So I'm so proud of her. I've seen her. Thank you, Rashmi, for coming.
I have a few words to say. She has been my mentor and she has encouraged me a lot to start my own school, because I've been always working in somebody else's, so it's been really nice. And anytime I'm depressed or I feel bad if some of the parents are not so nice, my daughter, who's working to Teach for India, she's 30 years old, she says, okay, you need to go and visit Mrs. Mukherjee, time to go and visit her. So again I get my elixir from her and I'm back in form. Thanks a lot for inviting me.
Thank you, Rashmi, for coming. Please, you can go. Although he is much younger to us, so but still we cannot forget him. But this year, all the functions here, taken the
Welcome for all the grandparents. I know it's indeed a great pleasure to see your grandchildren here graduating. Probably you have seen yourself graduating, but you have not seen your grandchildren graduating. So it is a great pleasure to be here. Thank you and welcome to all of you. Please make yourself comfortable. Anything you need, you can contact us. Water is there available, and anything else you need, please do contact us. Feel free to contact us.
And this is the newly wedded personalities are here. Mr. Avirup Matilal and his dear wife Andrila Matilal. We welcome you.
So you can see Abirup only shooting Andrila now.
Andrila, you know about Avirup very much, because without him I cannot sing any program. And I am trying to do that about Andrila. Because he is a good singer. And today also. Thank you, Andrila. Thank you for listening. And how can I forget my husbands who are all here? I don't know. Pradeep is here or not?
Pradeep is here.
Pradeep is here. And who is here? And
We want to see all of them want to see you.
thank you for coming. Where I want to see Niharika and Rajesh. They are my ex-students. And he is a popular doctor over in Koramangal. Ashwini, although she has not studied here, but she was a great help with me when she was young. She used to arrange my materials, used to help me, used to study, and quite young. She used to doing Hindi box with me, all these things. And then she is now grown up. She is going to get married. I don't know whether this lucky gentleman has come or not. She not yet. Okay.
Do you think I should introduce you to her? I hope you all know who she is.
She was a good dancer. I do not know whether she dances. She now flies. In place of dancing, she is flying.
And
Ashwini?
she's your auntie.
Oh.
And before that, she is Mrs. Vidya Uday Kumar. Vidya and Uday Kumar's daughter, the oldest one. Yeah, are you Vidya auntie? Okay, we welcome you, and the children are already ready, waiting. Here's a skit in the dance in Kannada which depicts that it is very important to help anybody as it pays back later. Help when? When needed. Don't help when it is not needed. Help only when needed. Here, children are here to show you this.
ಈ ಬಾಳೆ ಮರನೇ ಜಾಗ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದು. ಅದ್ಯಾಕೆ ಬೇರೆ ಯಾರು ಜಾಗ ಕೊಡ್ಲಿಲ್ವಾ? ನೀವ್ ಯಾರ ಹತ್ರ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೇಳ್ದೆ? ಏನ್ರಿ ನೀರು? ಚಿಯೋ ಚಿಯೋ ಗುಬ್ಬಿ ನಾನು ಚಿಯೋ ಚಿಯೋ ಚೋ. ಚಿಯೋ ಚಿಯೋ ಗುಬ್ಬಿ ನಾನು ಚಿಯೋ ಚಿಯೋ ಚೋ. ನೆಲ್ಲಿ ಬರವೆ ನೆಲ್ಲಿ ಬರವೆ
Thank you, my friends. It was Parents, you can see wonderful things hanging on this Ramayana here, and some of them displayed at the carpet here too. You must be wondering, it's all your own creativity. This is called timeline, and we have asked parents to get this timeline of their children. You must be wondering why this timeline, why they're giving us such a tedious job to do all this. I think there's something behind this. You know, timeline is to introduce history for children. You know, if you tell long ago, or many years ago, or thousands of years ago, it's very difficult for the age group of 2.5 to 6 years to, understand this long ago. This term is very difficult, in fact. So, to bring in history, the concept of history, so we introduce this timeline. That is, we talk about their life. That is, when they were born, how they were, after some time, how they look, after 6 months, how they look, after a year, how they, and 2 years, 3 years. We can see that there are changes each and every time in their own photographs. So I thought about this, and instead of parents getting chocolates and children, eating, many children actually are not supposed to eat chocolates, the tooth decays and all the stuff. We thought we'll give a little work to parents instead of buying chocolates and all. Either way, they do a work there also. So we thought of introducing this timeline. Timeline is something where, they see how they have grown up. And so by this, we have spoken about history to them, bringing in the concept of time. And that's how they know now that, okay, when I was 1 year old, I was like this. And when I was 2 years, I was like this. And so it went on. So they are well versed with the concept of time also through this. The children are at the alert best between the ages of 2.5 to 5.5 years. A child's imagination is what makes him or her a person in future. An imaginative child tracks the world in the land of imagination, and fairy tales are tools invented ages ago to help a child travel through a world of imagination and teach the child about good and evil at the same time. Many times several children have imaginary friends, sometimes an animal, sometimes just a playmate. Encouraging imagination leads to creativity, and creativity in turn develops cognitive skills essential to solve and face life's challenges. Here's a dance which depicts the same.
আকাশ কুসুম তুলি সাত সাগরের ফেনায় ফেনায় মিশে যায় সিঁদুর দিশে
মানা মনে মনে আমার হারিয়ে যাওয়ার নেই মানা মনে মনে দিলে গানের সুরে রে নানা মনে মনে
As the old saying goes, mother is the first teacher and house is the first school. Mother is the most beautiful personality and father is bestower of knowledge, perseverance to a child. They imitate and want to be like their parents, like their teachers and move forward in building up their own identities. Our children are here to touch your hearts and express their love to you. Thank you. I think you need to wait for the boys to come in. Please make the place for the boys to come in.
Mr. Madhu.
Mothers, raise, put your hands together. You're all leading in the song. Join parents, please join us. Thank you, my friends.
Busy with her exam. Final, she is giving college also. So she was busy, but she did that for us. Thank you, Anita. Anita is our ex-student, by the way. Let's see. This time, aunties said that this is the time to take parents' oath. Enough of oath we have taken. No, isn't it? We know now how to take oath. Everybody. Do you know this? How to take oath for the children? Every function we take oath, isn't it? And the house also, do you make it that point? Do you see that page? No. Please do not forget that. I told Manjula that enough we have done. So in this time we will not take the oath. But I want to say something to you. Thank you so much. Really, it is beyond my imagination. You have all bared with me all these 3 years, sometimes 4 years. The children are with me. Without any hesitation, you have depended on us. You have believed us. You had faith on this and this, institution. I'm so happy that I could get these children. I could apply all whatever we could do with them. And I hope they will do very well. I pray for them. They should do well. And I only request to you that take them to a good school, where there is no punishment, no beating and nothing, that sort of thing. Of course, if the law has come, not to punish the child, not to beat them, but we have to choose that type of schools. Then I'll be very happy, very happy. And you can tell me later on what type of schools you are going. Later on we'll have a session, who has got admission. Whoever has got admission, will you raise your hand for the children? Anybody else? Okay. Not yet. Normally month of April they give that forms, I believe. And there is India International, what is it? India International School, they have told us to send children. Ushaji, of course, if she is there, you can go earlier and get your admission. And any of these other schools also told, I will tell you, if you see me in the office, Tuesday or Wednesday. And Monday also is a holiday, no? Yeah. Monday is a good news or bad news, I do not know. That is a holiday for us because all aunties, they work very hard in this time. So, and all these second years whose children are there, please collect the report in due time. We will say, we give the report and please collect it and then return us back. Here today we are going to give you the reports. You will, if not, give us back. Anything else you want to say? Yeah. Are you all in fancy dress? I don't know. No one has a marriage dress, I said, as a fancy dress. That wedding dress. Anybody? Huh? Okay. So, how can I have at least a fancy dress parade? You was thinking, that's what the things now. But nobody is in. Huh? All the parents, please come to say something here. Tony's father is a fancy dress. Tony's father.
This is the most exciting and awaited event for the day, and it's a fancy dress competition for parents. Parents, let's start the round walk. Please, I welcome all the parents to come here onto the stage. It's your time, whatever you have come in. Please, parents, raise.
I would first request Aditi Rao's parents to please come on to the dais.
Oh, Anita, I didn't know that we had to call them one by one by their child's name. I think you should move forward. Please come. Yeah. I mean, if it's a newly married couple, at least we would invite them like this. I don't think so. Parents, please come together. No, we will not call your child's name to invite you to the stage.
My senior friends, please sit inside.
So Anita, I think we should call one by one of them as you did. Parents are tired. I know it's very hot. Sunday morning. We are taking your time. Tanusha's parents. You want me to come to your place to invite you? Definitely, sir. Definitely. Arham's parents. I don't see Arham's parents here. Okay. Dhruvi's parents. Sir, please. No, that's okay. We will take care of things. Please, please.
Shreya Reddy's parents.
Shreya Reddy's parents.
Father is just ignoring. He doesn't know what we're talking about.
No, he's very well aware of what we are talking. He's smart. Please come, sir. They missed last time also.
Today he's not her papa.
No, that's okay, but still you can bring him. Shilpa, it's your responsibility to bring your husband onto the stage. Omkar's parents. Omkar's parents. Please come. No, please, we want all the parents. We will not start the rank show.
Sai Vidya's parents, Lakshya's father and Sai Vidya's father.
Sanika, Purvita's parents.
Come, she will join you.
It's okay, you can come, please come. Neela's parents,
Shreya James.
Purvita, Manojna's parents. Suraj's parents. Please come, we will take care of it. Suraj's parents, please come. Should we cross-check that all of you are here? Attendance, mark the attendance. No, I request Shreya Reddy's father to please join us. This is the last program that you will be attending in your school. I won't let you go like that. Anybody else that we have missed out? No. Anita, now where are you? I need your help. Parents, if you're inside, please come out. We will help your children. Omkar's mother. Sharika's father, please come. It's okay, please come. What about Sharika's mother? She isn't come? Okay, please come, it's okay. Namrata's parents, especially you're invited. Please come. Anybody else? Romantic, can you see any other parent inside there? If you can send us here. Please come. We are waiting for you. Okay, I think you can form a nice circle. I would want to see all the fathers and mothers. Please, standing next to each other. I don't want any parents. I will be as parents. Should I show you how to stand in a circle? Please, please. You can move a little this side. Come. Spread yourself. Yes. It's okay. Stand. Stand. Please move forward. A little back. Okay. A little back. Yes. That's good. Ready? All the parents are here. The oldest guy. Okay, Anita. Let's start the ramp walk. Okay, I think little more that side if you can make. Little more. We'll just, audience will be abstracted if you can move little more. You can also move a little closer. That side you go. come as. Remember, there are prizes. First prize, second prize and third prize. Savidya's father, please come. No, she will come. You please come.
I would request Mr. Atulu Sinha, Miss Nalini Lele and Miss Oindila to please judge them. And Reshmi Basu.
Please, Savidya's mother, we are waiting for Savidya's mother.
This is Oindila Motilal, sorry.
Volume a little, amplifier a little, so that if they want to tell something we can hear. Okay, Aditya's parents are leading. Yeah, come please. Wow, that's beautiful. That's good. You want to tell something, Aditya's parents? Please come again.
While selecting the costume, we didn't know what to go with. This is the only thing that we had. Okay, we've come as Indian parents, that's all. And I would thank Smita auntie and Scholarship School, all the they've done an incredible job. We were unsure when we kind of came here the first time to get Aditi admitted. And through these 3 years, there's only one thing that we're sure of now. Is that she's turned out to be wonderful. Thank you for all the efforts that you put in.
Thank you, Aditi's parents. And Aditi has brought 2 more students in her school. She has talked to them. She has said this is a wonderful school. Aunties are very good. They are like friends, and they have joined us. They said, "Who sponsored you this year?" Aditi. So we have got 2 students. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Okay, so now we will have Bhuvan's parents.
Oh, you can do some steps, dance.
So we have come as obviously both parents. So it's been a great experience. In fact, when I started my schooling, I had a very similar kind of, like Smita auntie, there was one lady who was putting up everything and taking that leadership. So that's when I first met her, I decided that I would put my son here. So I was absolutely sure that things will be fantastic and it has worked out very well. In fact, for us it's been 4 years. I think very few kids have been here. And I think we've had a very good time. And I hope to take a similar school in the coming years. Like Smita said, not the regular school. We'll try and get
Thank you so much. Bhuvan is a wonderful child. Listen. Next session I will listen so much.
Bhuvan's parents, I think we have confirmed through this the admission of the next child also. Okay, please come forward. Again, Laksha's mother, please come. I don't have to call you. Wow. That walk is only for couples, I'm sorry.
Thank you for inviting us here, and we've come here as Laksha's parents. And before putting Lakshya into the school, my wife had done a very big research, finding all the Montessori schools in all the country. She found this Montessori to be a real Montessori training happening here. So that was the main reason we took she's doing wonderful things here, and I think she'll get a good school now. And there are few more children in our own house who come to this school. This year, our Radhavan is already ready at home. Thank you.
And please put your hands together for Laksha's parents.
Thank you so much.
One thing I would like to inform. See, Mukherjee auntie has done a very wonderful job. I can't thank her enough. Because my daughter has learned so many things which probably I wouldn't have been able to teach her. and I would like to congratulate each and every teacher here, aunties here, ayahs here, because without them, none of them is less. Because even the ayahs, aunties here, they have done beautifully. The children, when they come at this age, they pass schools, everything, which none of us, they don't feel bad to remove that. Really thank them for it. I'm really happy that my daughter graduated from here. I'm not going to miss this school because my son is coming here. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you, Maitri. So I think Anush's parents are waiting. Please come. Looking forward. Oh, great.
Anadeli choppu.
Where is that graduation dress which you were wearing?
Thank you so much. Thank you. Your Manu's parents are waiting. Firstly, I would like to thank you all, especially the father, for being here with us.
We are Manoj's parents. Actually, I am a police inspector working in Karwar. My wife is also assistant professor. She is working in Karwar Engineering College. It is very hard. We are managing our son here. My parents are there with my son. And thank you for Shrimita aunty and Vidya aunty, all others for your support.
ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಮಾತಿದೆ, ಗುರಿ ಮುಂದೆ ಗುರು ಹಿಂದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ನನ್ನ ಮಗನಿಗೆ ಆ ವಾತಾವರಣ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದೆ. ಗುರಿ ಮುಂದಿದೆ ಅವನಿಗೆ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಸಾಕಷ್ಟು ಗುರುಮಾತೆಯರು ಹಿಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಉಳಿದೆಲ್ಲರೂ ನಮಗೆ ನಾವು ಔಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಸ್ಟೇಷನ್ ಇದ್ರೂ ಕೂಡ ತಂದೆ ತಾಯಿಯಂಗೆ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ನಿಮಗೆಲ್ಲ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರಗಳು.
Thank you. Kanaya's parents are ready. I think a photographer, I already guessed. And the one, why don't you dance for us also?
So we have come here as Kanaya's parents, and in addition, a photographer and a Maharashtrian model.
Please get back.
Pretty model. Maharashtrian model. Thank you all of you. I won't take too much of time, but our feelings resonate with what other parents are feeling over here. Thank you from the bottom of our hearts. Thank you so much. All of you, each of you.
Thank you, Sneha. Dhruvi's parents.
I hadn't thought what we had come here as, but with her dress and my dress, she is wearing red, so it's all fire. And I'm wearing blue, so it's all ice. Naruna, I brought my daughter here last year, and she was in another Montessori in Hyderabad before we came here. But the transition has been extremely pleasant. That's all I can say. I'm very happy with what I have seen of Dhruvi over last year, and I'm really hoping that she will excel further with all the guidance that Shrimita aunty and everyone in the school has provided. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much. When we came for the admission, the credit goes to my elder one. She said, "Mommy, you'll be mad if you put her anywhere else. You have to put her here." So she was also contributing to that.
And I remember there was one boy who was writing tables of 319 when we had come here, and that impressed her, saying no other school will teach that. Thank you.
We do not teach, the children will learn. That is the misconception about us. Now they learn all by themselves, and so they can go ahead.
Thank you so much. Now I welcome Shreya Jain's parents. I know the baby is crying and crying. Please come. Oh, that's good. Rap rock. Wow.
about the school, and I was really impressed by everyday activity whenever she comes to home and she tells explain about that. So that was the feeling about school from us. And we want to carry this. Don't suggest that for everybody. We extend the school to some extent. Thank you very much.
Actually, when you call chairs Indira Gandhi, I got remember my childhood activity. Like in school, everybody used to tease me like Indira Gandhi. Thanks everybody.
Thank you. Sai Vidya's parents are here. Please start your hand walk.
I would say in one word, Guru Devo Bhava. That's all for me.
Thank you, thank you. Neela's parents. That's a wonderful attire.
Thank you. I resonate very well with all the others, what they have said. One exception is that Rajan. When Nila was 2 class, she's not able to talk, manage, but I think she did a fantastic job about managing that. So thanks a lot, and of course other aunties as well. Smita auntie, when we wanted to get the school Montessori, we were very serious about Montessori. So Abhi went to Indian Montessori Center, asked for the best schools in here, this area. They gave 3 names. So one was Arunodai, and we met all the principals. When we met Smita auntie, we decided this is the place. So I personally learned from auntie that not to call Nila as a kid, as a child. So that's a very good learning. So I tell everybody who I meet, anybody calling kid, I'll tell that no, it's not a kid, it's a child. Thanks a lot for that learning. And the Montessori book, The Oath. This is my favorite gift to all the parents. Today, if I see any new parents, that's my gift. So I buy the book and give it to them. Read this page.
Thank you so much.
So these are 2 learnings for us. Thanks for the opportunity.
Thank you so much. Priorities parents are waiting. Yeah, please start the run walk. Come. Shilpa, you're very motivating.
Thank you all parents and especially to the staff of Arunodai. It's my eyes is floating. You people make it very attachment. Especially this was the child from my house and the last child. Very happy to stay with you, and we were family members too. And I have a last word to all my parents here. Tomorrow it's a holiday to Arunodai, but I want to give you a message. Tomorrow it's my pleasure to call Smita auntie for one of the Women's Day honor. We are honoring her from Dr. Agarwal's High Hospital. I would request all aunties, parents and anyone who can come gather that show and make it a successful one. When those people told me we are searching out for few ladies who are eligible for that post, I couldn't get anyone in mind. The first thought I had was Smita auntie. First one was Smita auntie, and second one I have to really mention to all of you parents. The skating teacher, she's Easter Prasanna, Mrs. Easter Prasanna. She's a world champion. I had only these 2 people in mind. I got only these 2 people, and I'm just still waiting for the day tomorrow. It's from 4:30 to 5:30 next to the water tank, Kormangla. So please join with us to make this a wonderful success. We were not there, Auntie, with you when you were awarded the Mrs. Director of Montessori. So let us all join to give this honor to her. This is what we can give from the parents. This is what I can give you personally.
You are giving me child, that is my gift. That is my award. I told them also I do not wait for any award. My children are my award. You see. With these children you have kept, that is my award. Nothing else.
Thank you, Shilpa. You've been very kind and helpful also for the Kannada skit. She is the one who got us the branches of the trees. Omkar's parents, please welcome Omkar's parents.
First of all, what I did is, when my kid was 4 and
No kid.
My child first. I was not very keen in taking my son to this school, but my wife really forced me to take him to the school. Thank you very much for that. And I'm really happy that he has learned so many things which I really don't know. It is becoming really hard for me to manage him at home because the kind of questions he's asking, I really don't have any answers to that. And you man, whenever I see you, I wish that I can have a grandmother like you. I really miss that.
I really want to thank Raja and Auntie. I will give you in the jug. I will get it.
Thank you so much. Radhika's parents.
Thanks for inviting us. So, my name is Jagdish. I'm a circle inspector in Kolar town. You know, ours is a 24/7. This morning what happened, my daughter called me and she said you have to come. Because without getting the permission, so whether you believe it or not, because I spoke to my SP, he did not pick up the call. But without getting the permission also I came here. Because we have to see both the sides. One side is the department, other side is the family. And I'm very happy that my daughter studied here. And whenever I see my daughter's handwriting, so it's excellent because my handwriting is very bad. Because within 3 years she has learned even the pronunciation and even speaking also. And she understands Hindi, she speaks English also. So it's a great thing that she has studied here. And we have a 8-month-old son, Akash. We will send our son to this school only because we have no idea about other Montessori. And it's a great thing that my daughter studied. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much. I'm actually very thankful to you and even Manojna's father because we were all worried whether you will be able to make it up or not. Because the children wait to watch, Thank you so much. Now I have Sharika's father here. I don't know about the mother.
Thank you very much all of you to make the clay to become a good shape and a good pot. My daughter came to the school with a clay material. Now you gave a good shape to my daughter. I want to say my sincere thanks to all of you. I saw the tremendous changes from my daughter. When she came to the school, Papa, I don't like to go to the school. Now, get up and allow me to join the school before 9 o'clock.
So she wakes up you.
Yes.
She wakes you up.
And before I am searching so many schools in Bangalore. But I found that on the day I noticed Manjula madam and Sheila. Okay, then I looked at the madam Katya and the interaction with the madam Vidya madam also. And I decided that okay, this is the best place for my child. Have the education. But you prove that and pray to God also. God, I love you.
Thank you so much. Now I call the old parents once again, that is Tony's parents. This is the second child who is graduating from the school. You've always been very supportive and helpful.
Yeah, it's a great pleasure to be here at this occasion and big gratitude to Arunodaya family for not shaping my both children. I mean, I think I am the oldest parent. We are the oldest parents. My elder daughter graduated after 4 years from here, and my son is graduating after 4 years again. So I am here for past cumulative 6 years or 8 years. So, and so it's a great pleasure to be here. And the dress what she is wearing is she's in her wedding dress. I am in traditional Kerala dress. And the leadership, the mentorship part you are providing, and it's very great. And with the experience of Dasa's graduation, I realized that. Before that, I was not very confident. Like now, how she will be forming all these things, I was not very sure. But after seeing her, she is excelling in the school, in the current school, but. Definitely there's a tradition, a very big shift from Montessori to the traditional school. So all the parents must note that when you choose the school, you should be very much selective. So I mean, probably I made a slight mistake there, but now what I'm doing is I'm putting both of my children in a Montessori way of teaching. We have taken admission in Harvest International School, which is, they run the Cherubs Montessori also. So I mean, it's a continuation. Probably we have done some research. So from the bottom of my heart, I salute you. Please continue this your young heart, and groom up a lot of children like this. And wish you all the very best.
Thank you. That was a good feedback to the parents. Now we have Purva Sa's parents waiting for a very long time. Let's welcome them.
Thanks for Arunodaya family. One thing I can say, I want to pay me in my God, give a good energy, some more energy, some more years energy to our auntie to make this kind of functions successfully. Thank you very much. I don't want to take much time. Even I want to take a blessings of auntie. She made my child such a wonderful way.
Thank you so much. Okay, now we have Namrata's parents waiting. Oh, she went back and relaxed.
Good morning everybody, I'm Mamta, I'm Namrata's mother. Her father is out of station, so I'm listening to her father also. And I would like to thank Arunodaya for everything, whatever Namrata is today is because of Arunodaya, and I especially would like to thank Roma auntie. Because Namrata speaks Hindi better than Kannada. And she's so very good at Hindi and all the other subjects, and it's been a wonderful time being here. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much. Surat's parents, please welcome Surat's parents.
Good morning everyone. I would like to say thank you very much for taking care of my Suraj so well. I know how much time and effort you all are putting to bring him on track. I'm really thankful.
Hello. Thanks to everyone here, especially Smita madam and all over. It was wonderful time he had here, and he had learned a lot, and still he is very mischievous, but still I feel that he is enjoyed here, and he will be enjoying, and he will definitely improve himself. Thanks.
Nehra's parents, even if you are seated, we will catch you. No, please come. Please. Radha, please. No, you're very beautiful indeed. Please come. We want to see you how you are dressed. Okay. Anybody else we have missed out? Anybody else that we have missed out? Okay. I think all the parents can take a rank walk, and then please go. These parents can first start, and then you can go. Yes, please take it. You can start. Higher volume.
Thank you. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. I'm so happy. Out of 20, at least one could understand what I said. Very happy. Thank you so much. I could do it. No, that's all.
That's why you got the award?
Yeah, that's the reason. Judges, is that the reason? Yes.
Second place goes to
Dhruvi's parents. Fire and ice impressed all of them. The first place goes to any guesses? Model and photographer. The model and photographer. The Marathi model. Marathi model?
Yes, Sanya.
Yes, okay. Marathi model and the photographer. You need a prize, so you have to show us once again. Shirati, special request. Let's have a couple dance. The camera, please get your camera.
Do you want the music?
Of course.
Of course, get the music.
I would love that.
Kanaya's parents. I'm sorry. Second prize, Dhruvi's parents. Please move forward. Please come, Neela's parents. The first, second and third gets the same.
Good.
Okay, the children are already waiting. The last 3 years. I have worked with her for the last year, but she is the one who has worked with her. So I request now Girija to please hand over the certificate to Aditi A. Rao. Aditi, please come here, darling. What's up, please? Aditi is receiving her certificate of graduation. Aditi, wait. Parents, put your hands together. Aditi, Aditi. Parents, put your hands together. She's graduated. Aditi has got admission into Freedom International School and she's done extremely well. This I came to know because my children are there, and the staff of Freedom International School, I also passed on the message saying that you're getting a jewel to your school.
Thank you.
I would request the parents to collect the... I request Aditi's parents to please come forward. And Auntie, may I request you to please give away the book? This arithmetic book that we're giving you is like a Bible. No, I really like the book, so I requested Auntie to get the books to all the parents. It's a Bible of mathematics, and a special thanks to Seema and Shakti Baya. He's the one who's carried this book all the way from Kolkata to Bangalore. Thank you, Shakti Baya. We are welcome Mrs. Kothari and Mrs. Leela Sinha, please come and honor the children with the certificate. Arham Kothari. The happy and smiling girl is here. Parents, put your hands together once again. You can see him, he's always smiling. Please, Arham's parents, may I request you to come to collect the book. Smile, darling. Bhuvan's parents, can you please come forward to collect the book? Thank you.
One second, just wait.
Thank you, Leela Sinha ji. I would request Miss Nalini Lele to please honor the children with the certificate. Now I call the charming girl, Lakshya. Please come and take the certificate.
Lakshya, smile.
Come closer. Look at me.
Smile.
Once more.
Smile, Lakshya.
Lakshya, look at me.
Lakshya's parents, please come to receive the book. Mr. Perseverance, Manojna, I request you to come and receive the certificate. Parents are tired, yeah, after the ramp walk, Abhirup, or busy taking photographs. I request Manojna's parents to please come and take the book. Thank you, Mrs. Nalini, for giving away the certificates. Now I call upon Mrs. Rashmi Basu to give away the certificates. May now request the dancing doll Namrata to come and receive the certificate.
How are you?
Thank you. Thank you, Nehala's mother. Namrata. The fairy, Neela. Please come and receive the certificate. Neela.
Look at me. Hey, look at me.
Look at that. I request Neela's parents to come and receive the book. Thank you. Chirping bird, Nehala, please come and receive your certificate.
Hold your certificate.
Thank you, Mrs. Reshmi Basu. Oh, I request Nehala's parents to please come and take the book. I request Dr. Ranu Sinha to please honor the children. Thank you, Doctor. You've been cheering. He's the only one who's been clapping.
I forgot once or twice, so forgive me for that.
Let's welcome Mr. Doubtfire, Omkar. Omkar, look at the camera.
Omkar.
Omkar's parents, please come and receive the book. I request Purvita to please come. Purvita. Friends, please put your hands together. Purvita's parents.
Some applause, please.
Sanika. The peacock of a North Island. Sanika's parents. Sai Vidya. the dancer.
Okay, bye.
Thank you, Mr. Othano Sinha. May I now request Mrs. Asha Lata to please come forward to give away the certificates. Sharika? Shreya S. Reddy.
Dhruv, come this side.
Shreya Reddy's parents. Shreya Jain. Shreya Jain's parents. Sharika. Sharika's parents. Suraj Danimo. Thank you, Mrs. Ashalata. May I now request Mrs. Sandhya Ganu to please come and give away the certificates. Tanaya. May I request Tanaya's parents? Tanush?
Tanush's parents. Tony, the reporter. Tony, what news you got for us, Tony? Tony's parents. Thank you everybody. Let's all, I think, we'll sit down and we'll move on to the next program and the last program. I thank all the ex-students of Arunodaya for helping all of us, and Manjula's husband. Thank you, Pradeep. Stops to rest. It moves forward from one place to another, carrying so many people on it. Students of Arunodaya have also done the same. They have carried the legacy of Arunodaya around the world year after year. Mr. Sohan and Mrs. Shriyanka Shetty were amongst the first few who left the portals of Arunodaya and became symbolic to the engine of Arunodaya's rail gadi. Many years have passed. Many more have graduated from this institution and now are their respective journeys to reach their destination. Similarly, today, another group of youngsters will embark on the journey of life. They will attach another bogie to Arunodaya Express. Our next program is a dedication to this magical journey of Arunodaya Rail Gadi.
Gadi jai, rail সবাই জুটে দেখি জানালায় নদীর পার হতে হয় এক ছুটে আমরা সবাই জুটে দেখি জানালায়